711 Malibu Lane, a stunning luxury home situated on the island. Boasting 2,481 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 3 bathrooms, as you step into the home, you'll immediately notice the spacious and open floor plan, perfect for entertaining guests. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring an expansive island counter, a 5-foot wide refrigerator, pot filler, and a convenient walk-in pantry. Additionally, the bathroom downstairs is easily accessible from the garage, keeping your home clean and tidy. Upstairs, you'll find 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2 balconies. Each bedroom has access to a balcony, providing picturesque views of the city and mountains. The master bedroom is a true oasis, complete with double sinks, a coffee bar, and a spacious walk-in closet. This home is perfect for those who love adventure and outdoor activities. With a 50-foot air-conditioned garage that offers ample space for your toys. Plus, with the option to purchase the furniture outside of escrow, this home could be move-in ready. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this luxurious home yours. Contact me today, Amy King, to schedule a showing and experience the epitome of island living. 928-230-4526.